So hello friends. This is a question that has been asked in Prelim 1 in Garodia School, and this is the first program that was asked. So design a class that accepts the account number and age of a person. Based on the age and the account balance of the person, display the annual rate of interest available for the balance in their account. So we have to display the annual rate. Class name bank, data members, account number to store account number, purpose is also given. Account balance to store balance in the account. String name to store the account holder's name. Accept. So these are now the member methods, which is accept and compute and display. So accept will accept the account number, name and balance of 10 account holders. Compute will accept the account number of the holder and check if the number is present in the array. Ask age of the person and display the rate of interest she is eligible for from the bank. If number is not present, then print error message, wrong number, please try it. And display, so we have given account balance, range is given, and then based on the range we have given rate of interest. Okay, so interest spelling is wrong, let me correct that. Is that correct spelling? Why not? Okay, I think that's correct spelling, but it is not taking it. Okay, so the range is between 10 less than 10,000, 3.4, so up to 10,000 to 1 crore, that is here. So yeah, so from any person, small person, to something like Adani and Ambani people, you can calculate the rate of interest for all those people, and also for the old people. So display is what? Prints all the 10 accounts, name, account number, account balance, that way. Note is also given. There is an additional 0.5% increase in the rate of interest for people who are 60 years or above. Okay. Write main method, create an object of the class, and call the above methods through the object created. Right. So I am going to do this in a blue jet. We'll have a new class. How to do new class like this? Class name is bank. We have already given that. So we'll open the class bank and we'll open editor. Alright. So blue jet does this, but anyway, you are not going to have anything in the exam. So I'll basically start with the blank. So we have class, which is bank. So it's better to have first written some kind of rough program before writing the fair program. So now class we have given. So I'll try to. I don't like this because I want to give some feeling of writing now on the paper. But how can I do this when this is doing like this? Okay, so I will just deleting this, and so my idea is to give some kind of feeling where we are like writing into the writing while in the exam. So what we have given is we have given data members, which is account number. So yeah, int account number, right, and then this kind of things is given, right. We'll just have that. We'll fill that later. Accept method is there, so which is void, right. None of these methods are doing anything, right. Void accept. So in accept method, what you have to do is you have to accept the account number, name and balance, 10 accounts. So clearly there will be some kind of for loop given for let's have something in rough for 1 to 10. You will have to read accept the account number, right, account underscore number, account number you will accept, and balance you will accept, right, balance of 10 accounts. And then so here what you will do is something like account underscore num I equal to account number, right, account underscore num, and balance underscore, balance is there, yeah, balance is there, name is also there, right, accept number name, yeah, right. So even number of name also you have to accept. So balance, yeah, you can have name here, you can add name here, name and account. So something like accept account number is equal to account number, balance I equal to balance, and of course name I equal to name, right. Name. Let's call this as local, So something like L underscore, so that you just understand what's the difference between this and this. See, that's the point of writing in a rough, right? So now you will understand, right, that this variable name should be something different than this name, account number and those kind of things, right? So this is where the for loop ends. We'll just put that like this, right? So that's accept. Accept is done. What is next? Compute, right? So void compute, and in compute now, what you can do is accept the account number. So yeah, you have to read L underscore account number, right? What you have to do is check if the number is present in the array. Ask age of the name, account number. Check if the number is present in the array. So how will you check the number in the present? You simply put for I equal to 1 to 10. So this is simply a search function, nothing fancy. If what account number I, right, equal to L underscore account number, right? L underscore account number. What you will have to do is if this comes to be true, then yeah, we'll have to save I to somewhere, right? We'll have to have some kind of local variable. So in account number is there, L account number. Then what we will have? We'll also have account number, and we need to have something to hold this I, right? So maybe account index, right? Account index, where we will hold this. So account index equal to I, right? That's what we say. Account index equal to I. What we can do is that we can assign account index to -1, so that if after this we can figure out if account index equal to -1, or maybe you can use flag also, something like found or something, boolean flag found or something, and then you can put it to flag equal to found. We can break from here also, right? We will have to break from here. If account index equal to -1, then you have to print that, right? So basically system.out.println, what will you print? Error message, wrong number, please try, right? Wrong number, please try. Again, wrong number, please try again, right? In the same compute, and you will have to do what you will have to do, exit, right? Main method or write a program? No. Write a main method, create an object of the class, and call the above methods through the object created. Yeah, so maybe you can have here exit one we can have here, right? Or maybe you can have simple return here, which will return from here, right? That means done. There is nothing more to be done here. Have they given try again? Means you have to again go back to this until you have that's not given, right? Right, so we can ignore that. Accept the account number and check if the number is present in the array. Ask age of the person and display the interest, right? So now we have to ask the age. So we'll also have something like age here, right? Age, and we'll ask age, right? Read age. Alright, once you ask the age, then you have to calculate the account balance. So account balance is account rate is simple, right? So if what is that? Balance, right? So now balance is, we know that it is from of ICSE underscore index, right? So maybe we can use another variable for that, so that you don't have to do that ICSE index again and again. We will have account balance, right? So account balance is equal to balance underscore account underscore index. Okay. If balance account index, yeah, so now you can simply use this account balance, right? If account balance less than equal to 10,000, right, then you have ROE, right, rate of interest, ROI. Let's use that ROI, or let's simply use this rate interest, right, or interest rate. That's better. Interest rate. Interest rate is equal to 3.5. Right, else if account balance less than equal to 20,000, 2 lakhs. So be careful about the zero. 2 lakh. Then interest rate equal to 4.5, right? So likewise, the other else if statement which we will write when we are writing the fair program, and that's it, right? Now we have to ask if age greater than equal to 60, right? 60 or above, they are saying, right? Were 60 years or more, right? If age of me, then simply interest rate equal to interest rate plus 0.5, right? And now simply what we have to do, SOP, what we have to print, display the rate of interest if she is eligible from the bank. Oh, okay. So eligible means if we can find out the account number, right? Otherwise it's not eligible, which we have already here. Wrong number placed, right? So here we have to write simply interest rate is this, right? Interest rate. Okay. So that's compute, right? What is next? Display is simple, right? Display just you have to display. Display is simple, right? For I equal to 1 to 10. What we have to do? The SOP, right? SOP. Yeah, first you will have to write that line, right? Before that, SOP they have given, right? You have to write in this specific manner. So maybe name /t, right? For tab name, or is it like hyphen? Yeah, let's just follow this account number, whatever they have given. Let's just follow that account balance. See, the advantage is that nobody is going to type this program and figure out, right, when we are writing in exam. So you just have to be correct syntactically, and then SOP for each you have to write what is that name. So account name I, right, plus hyphen is there in between. Just use some 2 spaces plus account number. Account number is what? Account number. What they have given? Account num I, okay, plus minus plus account balance. Account bal, right? Bal they have used. Account bal. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so that's all we have to do, right? So this is kind of rough program we are having. Uh, so see, the advantage of writing a rough program, right, rather than doing the fair program directly, is that see, these kind of simple things, right, that somewhere I will need that account index and those kind of thing, right. Here we figure out, right, we will need account index, then we'll also need to break from here, we'll have to return from here. All these small things, right, you will figure out beforehand only, and then you will also need an age to do that and those things. So when you directly start writing the fair program, right, that will create that may create problem, because then you may not have put any space for here, you may not have thought that, and then there will be cancellation and those kind of things, and which may look ugly. So uh, so just to avoid that, we should write some kind of rough program there. Now how can I do this? Because I want to have this side by side. Because that's how you will have, right. You will have written some rough program. Now you will keep that somewhere in front of you, or you refer to that and you write your fair program. Um, so how will I do that? Maybe I'll do one thing. I'll take everything here and I will put it into this one, right? My notepad plus plus, which I'm able to see, and then yeah, then I'll cancel everything, and now I will refer to this. Yeah, I'll keep it like, oh, how can I do this? How can I do this? Yeah, something like this. Maybe I can do, right? Yeah, like this I will do. Yeah, good, good. That will be good. No, this is reverse, right? So I have this, and here I'll have to write a program. So there is no. Can I? No, here I cannot increase, right? I'm checking if I can. Increase font size is there, right? Increase font size and decrease font size. Okay, so let's write the fair program. So this is class bank as given. Now in bank we have to give the proper names, right? ACC underscore number. Then we have int ACC underscore balance, int ACC underscore balance, right? Oh, also we need to have main, right? Main I haven't considered only. Okay, so let's write some main here. So main also we have, right? Void main, right? So main, what they have told you to write down is write a main method, create an object of the class, and call the above method through the object created. Right. So how you do that? So we will have bank, right? New bank equal to bank, right? Like this we'll have, isn't it? So we have created this new bank. Now what will you do is new bank dot accept, right? This will accept something. Then simply new bank dot they haven't given, right, the order, and call the above methods through the object created. New bank dot we need to compute first. Compute will ask some name, and we'll just input that, and then new bank dot display, right? Display, and that's what our while will do. Nothing much, right? That's our main method. That's all. So we'll create a bank object or new bank, right? You have new bank, right? New access, right? Yeah, I think that's it then. So our rough program is ready. We'll do the fair program, right? So before writing any program, right, you must be aware that you must have this thing: import java.util.star, right, for a scalar object and those kind of things. That's correct, right? Java.util.star, right? Class. Now we have class bank, and we are writing all this. Okay, I want to keep this side by side, right? Can I increase font size? Control plus equal. Okay, let me type control. Control plus. Yeah, let it be like this. If something happens, then I'll reduce that. But this will be better. So account balance is there, right? What is the third one? Account number, account balance, and then string name. String name, right? Right. This has to be private. Oh, okay, I forgot. So that's a mistake that we normally do. So always write, keep some line between this and this, right? Please, so that you won't paste something like this. So even after that, keep a 9 or maybe a 2, so that if there is something that we remember later, we will have that. Now public methods, right? Public methods. That much part I'll edit. So yeah, string name. So just keep some space. Now we'll go to public accept, right? Because that is the first method we have. Now in accept, okay, I'll correct the method name, public accept. Now what's the problem? Return type required, public void accept. Come on, public void accept. Okay, let's be public void accept. What I'm doing for I equal to 1 to 10. So all these variables are here, right? Account number, L balance, name. So I'll put those int L underscore account name, right? L underscore balance, and then string L underscore name, right? Now what I can do, I can accept the scanner, right? How is that? Scanner SC is equal to new scanner, right? That's how it is. System dot in, sorry, new scanner system dot in, and after that so that has to be account number. No. So SC L underscore account number equal to SC dot next int. Okay, so that will give us the account number. Do we want to do that? System dot out dot println, enter the account number, right? Maybe enter the account. Oh, this is loop. I forgot. This is loop. Alright, this is loop. So for int I equal to 0, I less than 10 plus I, right? So before that, now we know that, okay, I forgot also this thing, that you will have to have this, right? We cannot put 10 here. 10, is this allowed? I doubt. Alright, that's not allowed. So what we will have to do is, we'll have to do this here, isn't it? So before doing this, what we'll have to do is account underscore number is equal to new int 10, right? Account underscore balance is equal to new int 10, and name is equal to new string 10, isn't it? right? So we have to make spaces for all these things. Now we can do that. Enter the account number. Let me increase this and let me put this here. So enter the account number. L is equal to account number SC dot next thing, and then we can do is account num I equal to L underscore account number, right? So similarly, why print it? Oh, P is small, sorry, my bad. System dot out dot println enter the account balance L underscore account underscore balance, right? That is our L underscore balance, simple. L underscore balance equal to SC dot next in, right? There is something, right? Before you do something between string and number, yeah, anyway, let's go ahead with this. I think that is small point. System dot out dot println. See, the problem is when I am typing, it will take time, but when writing in exam, that will not take time. Enter the name, right? Enter the name, and then have here also you can type account underscore bal I equal to L underscore balance, and enter the name. L underscore name is equal to SC dot next line, right? Next line we take, right? For this, and then again account, or not account, just name I equal to L underscore name, and that's it. We'll have to close our loop, right? We'll have to close our loop. Yeah. So while writing, you have to take care that you will start your program from here only. Unfortunately, editor doesn't allow me. When I enter, it will directly come in. So enter the account number, L account number is same. So that's it. That's our done, right? What is that? So that's our accept method, isn't it? Let's check one more time. L underscore SC dot next. Yeah. So this will go around that, and that's what we are supposed to do with our accept, right? Let us read again. Accept the account number, balance, and of 10 account number. Now compute. Compute is our main method, so we have to be careful here. Compute, right? Public void compute, right? Okay, we'll minimize this, or let's open this. What are we going to do compute? What are things in it? L account number, account index, which will initialize to -1, age, and account balance. All these things we'll need. So let's just simply all do L underscore initialize L underscore account number, account index, which is equal to -1 initially, age, which we are going to ask. This is another problem. Yeah, that's okay, right? We can have under scanner, right? Yeah, we can have under scanner, no problem. Because I was thinking, can I just but then I need to have the scanner done in your main method, and then from main method it will cancel that. So normally how is it done? If you need scanner in multiple things, it's not given anywhere. So is it done singly like this, or you can have single scanner and then you can go from there, is what I'm thinking of. Yeah. Okay. I think you can have different scanner in different methods, so no problem. I mean, you can use the same scanner. That's okay. The variable name. So age and then account underscore balance. The balance which will come and will show. So now we again need scanner. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner system dot in, right? System dot in. L underscore account number is equal to SC dot next int. We'll have to check the account number, right? Now we are going to write this loop, right? If account number is, so for int I equal to 0, I less than 10 plus I, right? What are we going to do? If account number I equal to L underscore account number, right? If this is true, whatever I'm going to do, I'm simply going to put account index equal to I, and then we are going to implicate, right? That means we got what we want. So that's it. That's what's the problem. Oh, ACC index we have, not account index. So be careful. Use the same variable names which we have checked, given that. Luckily this guy does this, but otherwise you may not have that. While writing the paper, you will not have that option. So out of the loop, what we can see, what I should have done, right? I should have written the program in Notepad without any checker. Maybe that would have given the proper kind of simulation. So if account index equal to -1, right? So that means whatever we have initialized, it's same as it is. So you can simply write system dot out dot println wrong number please try again, right? Okay. Yeah. What is that? I mean, I just want to see if this is display problem or what. Okay, so this is display problem. Okay. Okay, here. I just minimize this so that we can see both the things. Right, and after this, we'll also have to exit, right? Maybe we'll just do return. Return will just return from the function. Exit will actually exit from the entire thing. Return is now this function is done. It will go to your main function. And now after this, what we have? Oh, age also we have to read, right? So system.out enter the age. Oh, we haven't put, right? Enter the age. Enter the age. We haven't put, right? Enter the account number. System.out enter. Now I am thinking that writing here is much simpler than writing in exam. Okay, enter the account number, enter the age and system.out.println. Okay. At least this mistake you will not do while writing, because system.out.println you will be a lot of practice of writing this kind of thing. So what we will do now, age equal to sc dot next entry, right. Now account underscore balance equal to balance ICSE underscore, right? We got our balance. Yeah, now we'll have to, what happened, balance, why balance is not there, account underscore balance, right? Account underscore balance, is that correct? What is our variable name? What is our variable name? L underscore balance, no, ACC underscore balance, right? ACC underscore BA, that's what they have said. So ACC underscore BA, account index, ACC underscore BA. Right, now that's the loop, right? We have to put if ACC underscore balance, right, less than 10,000, less than equal to 10,000, what we will have to do? Do we have variable for interest rate? No. We will also have the variable for interest rate. Okay. See, I'll use this. I normally use this long name, because what happens is that that will give a clear idea exactly about what that variable does, rather than just R, I, Q, those kind of things. This will clearly give an idea what this variable name is. So it's easy to for program checker who is checking the paper, easy to follow the logic. Interest is equal to now I'll just check this table, 3.5, alright, 3.5, else if see, normally what will I do when I am writing the program in office environment, I'll simply copy paste this statement 5 times and then I'll just change it. But in exam you can't copy paste it. If account balance less than, what is this number? 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Interest rate is equal to 4.3. Else if account underscore balance less than equal to 9 lakh, right? 9 lakh. What is interest rate? Interest rate equal to 4.9. Okay. Else if account balance less than equal to 1 crore. Two more zeros, right? 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 1 crore. 1,000 lakh, right? 1,000 lakh 1, right? Okay. Maybe in rough you can write that and then you can exactly write that in fair. What is the problem here? Oh, interest rate is that's important, right? See, that's the mistake that we can do. So this has to be float or double float. Let's keep it float, not that big this number. So yeah, 3.5. And not only that, you need to take interest float interest rate, right? Why this is not like this? Possible lossy, but I change now, right? Interest rate. double. Okay, so now it is taken. Okay, so I have it as double. Account balance less than 1 lakh, 5.4, right? Interest rate would be 5.4, and then that's the last, right? Else interest rate 6.3. Okay, so all the interest rate is done. Now what we have to do is let's just open this thing. If age greater than equal to 60, right? Age we have a rate, here we have taken age, right? So we can have if age greater than or equal to 60, not minus, greater than or equal to 60, then interest rate equal to interest rate plus 0.5, right? And after that simply system dot out dot print interest rate is plus interest rate, R capital, right? Yeah, so that's it. That's our done. Void display is simple. D small. Simply for, you have to first do this, right? System dot out dot println this thing, right? How we have the given name hyphen account number hyphen account balance, right? And now we have to do int I equal to 0, I less than 10 plus I. What you have to do? System dot out dot println okay, so now we need that exact this thing, right? Account, so names, right? Not names I plus hyphen is there, no, not hyphen, but space is here, so space plus names and not account number, right? ICSE underscore num I, right? Plus some space is there plus balance, right? Yeah, ICSE underscore ban I. That's it, done. Now we'll have to write main, right? Void main. In main, we'll have to create the object of the same type. We have done some kind of main, right? Yeah. Bank equal to new bank. Did they ask menu or something? No, right? Write main method create an order and call the above method through the object created. Yeah, that's it. So nothing fancy there. That's correct. Bank out. Bank. New bank, new bank dot accept, new bank dot compute, इधर गया, new bank dot compute and new bank dot display. Yeah, and we are done. Let me check this one. If there is any error, control minus, Okay, there are some errors here. What is that? Interest rate. Okay, some spelling mistake. Interest rate. Names है name है क्या? Let me check. Yeah, name. Sorry. All right. Name. Okay. Oh, bank, new bank. Does it need it like that? New bank. Why you want to initialize new bank? That should have worked, I think. Yeah, that will work. But anyway. Yeah, so that's a program. So if you can write such programs in exam, that will be great. Normally these are private. I see in normal Java, right? I mean, maybe this is Vue.js. Things like this work. You can have private there. Sorry, P small. You can have private there, and then you can have all the private methods here, and then public here, and all the public methods. No need to give this, but because of the Vue.js, maybe this is needed. This kind of this is needed. So yeah, so fine. So that's in the exam. So yeah, I think that's the program. Maybe should we run it? My problem is that I don't want to input 10 things and those kind of things right now. If we can just change that 10 to something, that would have been great. But anyway, I'll try to run it and I'll keep the output ready offline. But yeah, so that's the program. That's how we have to write the program in exams. See, so yeah, let me also tell you now some things that I mean, just for extra information, that if you are writing this in the office environment, what are the changes you will do? So the first thing is that this 10, right? This such kind of constant things, right? You will never write like this. So you will have some kind of another variable here, maybe at class level, where you will say like something like int number of accounts, right? Or not at the class level, but somewhere outside. Oh, this is bank account, right? Yeah, right. So here only. So you will have int number of n underscore account, right? That means number of account, and that also you will initialize at the time of when you are doing this. So something like this will have constructor where you will take n underscore account there, and then you will pass it from here, right? In your constructor, you will pass 10 and something like that, and then you will use that number put here, right? So 10 will never be constant. So that's one difference that will be, and the other difference will be here, right? All these constant, right? They will also be given them. Normally, all these things, right? They are never hard coded in your program. They always come as a part of data. They come from outside. This 0.5, 5.4, 4.9, all these numbers, right? Even 2 lakh, this range. They normally come from the outside program. So they will be saved somewhere else in a file or in database somewhere, and then from there they will be read. So that's a different. There's a big difference. So yeah, it's good for an assignment, but there will be a lot of changes if this goes into the professional thing. In fact, yeah, even here, right, because you have said that, but you may have also understood, right, the main problem here is that in compute, if you have given the wrong name, right, this program will exit then and there itself. So we should have some kind of loop here. At least in compute, we should have some kind of loop, right, where until and unless you have put some right account number, it will not show you the it will not exit the thing. But here, unfortunately, it will simply exit the thing if the account number is wrong. Yeah, so that is the difference, and that's one of the program, the first program, and I'll come back with the other programs. So I hope this video will help you. So thank you very much.